Yay and welcome to this tutorial of how to make a gorgeous little advent calendar with little chocolates and scrapbooking supplies. So the first thing you need to do is gather those supplies. So a big tub of embellishments, those Bostik glue dots, pom-poms, paper clips, those green and black miniature collection chocolate bars, and of course scrapbooking gift tags. I have also collected some command hooks and some super chunky yarn so that I can hang this on a door and just make a gorgeous display. And get your assistant to help you. The fluffier, the better. This one is called Poopers and she is a monster. And now you want to just try and play with layering embellishments on top of those gift tags so that you can create 24 of these bad boys and stick the chocolate bars to the back with those Bostik glue dots because they're super strong and they will hold. So just play around with where you're going to put your numbers on top of your little embellished tags, and don't be afraid to just mess and enjoy yourself. It will take a while to do them because there's 24, but it is a lot of fun. And you can even use like Project Life journal cards and sequin shaker cards that you can like jiggle around, and they are really cute whenever they're hung up, and it's just a really gorgeous way to create an advent calendar. As you can see, whenever you are adding the glue dots, all you have to do is put one of them on and it is enough to hold one of those small green and black little mini chocolate bars. Now is the stage where you have to hang those command hooks and hang your yarn just whatever way you want to. I hung mine across an old vintage door and used like a two-tier effect, which I'll show you right now, and I hung the lights in behind the door so the glass would light up and look beautiful, as you can see. And this is the project whenever it was finished. It was really easy. All you have to do is repeat the tags 24 times and just attach your chocolate and go crazy whenever you're hanging them. You can mix and match the dates, you can mix and match the styles, the type of cards. Really just have fun and enjoy yourself.